Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you guys some Christmas decor ideas for the 2019 Christmas, and here is the things that we will be using, and everything will be listed down below in the description box. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright, we're gonna start with painting our 3D block letters. And we're going to be painting them in white and silver. Okay, we're going to be painting the back part of our letters all white. So we're not really touching the letters as yet. We're just going to be painting the base with probably just one coat of white. I think that should do. And now our letters all dry with the white background. So now we are going to take our silver acrylic paint and we're going to paint the letters all silver. Okay, now our letters are all dry, but there's some silver that's seeping in between. So we're just going to take a small paintbrush with our white paint and just go back over and just freshen up our letters so they look as neat as possible. Now it's time to make our base. So we have our square mirrored pieces from the Dollar Tree, and we have some foam board here. We're just going to use some E6000 and some hot glue and glue down our mirrors to the foam board. And our mirrors are 5x5 from the Dollar Tree. And now we are going to take our letters and place them onto our base. And I'm just going to put one up, one down, do a little pattern. And I'll be using some hot glue, and again you could use any adhesive that you would like to glue down your crafting project. Now our letters are all glued down, and now it's time for me to add my favorite gems. Yes, my gems here from Totally Dazzled. Yes, I'll be adding these to our decor. Yeah. And now I'll be adding this blingy Christmas flower to the one side of our decor. And here is our finished look. I think it looks very nice. It's a nice piece of Christmas decor. You could place it on a mantle above your fireplace. You can place it at your entryway table. A lovely piece of Christmas decor for your home, or you can use some command strips. And hang it up on the wall, or even just have it on your coffee table. I have it on these little things here. I forgot what they're called. Axles or something like that. And you can just place it on your coffee table or dresser anywhere you want throughout your home. And now here we are with DIY number 2, and these are the items that we'll be using for our second Christmas decor idea. Yeah. Okay, we have this tall vase from the Dollar Tree. And we have some of our little fur here, the white fur, which is very nice. So we're just going to do it, place it around the bottom of our vase. And now we're going to use the gold mirror tiles from the Dollar Tree with some E6000. And just place it going around the vase. And now I'm going to add some gold bling that I got from Michael's. And I'm just going to place it going all the way around. And the space at the back of our vase, I'll be putting one sheet of the gold bling wrap from Totally Dazzled going up because the mirrors don't meet together. And I'll be adding some more of our bling wrap going around the top part of the vase. And then I'll add another row of our bling gold gems. Okay, for our next vase now, it's a little thicker. I got this one from Dollarama. Again, we'll be placing our little white fur going around the bottom. And this time I'll be using our green our green mirror tiles from the Dollar Tree. And now we'll be using our little gems here that you can get from Walmart, and I'll be placing it going right around. I'm going to be doing 2 rows going right around, and then I'll be adding more of our green mirror tiles and the pattern going all the way up. I'll continue. And now I am going to add my gems from Totally Dazzled to our vase.
I need you.
And I'll be adding a gold one to this vase.
I need you.
And here's our finished look. I think they look super cute. A lovely piece of decor, Christmas decor for your home. You know, you can place lots of things in them, anything you want. You could add flowers, or you could add makeup brushes. You could put your regular pens and pencils. Any little glam thing, you could put in your girl's glam room, yes. Or on your dresser, or make a lovely Christmas gift for anyone that you choose, yes. I think they look really nice. I love how the green and the silver turned out, and the gold is lovely also. A lovely piece of decor for the 2019 Christmas season. And here's all 3 items together. I think they look lovely. And I like our Christmas sign. I like how the letters stand out with the white background and the letters are in silver with some of our bling gems just to let it add that added touch of glam. I think it looks very nice. And again, our two vases. Our two glammed out vases. I think they turned out really nice. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me which one you like best. You know the Christmas is coming on. Everything is being pushed so fast. It's not even Thanksgiving and we're talking about Christmas items. But that's how the season goes. So leave a comment down below and tell me which one you like. And give me a thumbs up. Press that like button. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing my first set of Christmas decor for 2019. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye everyone, and I will see you on the next one.
Need you.